In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Epson XP 970 printer. Now first we have to take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. So remove the seal, remove this cap, repeat the process for all the ink cartridges. And that is the last. Go to the printer screen, scroll ahead and look for the maintenance. Scroll down, replace ink cartridges, click next and click start. Now go to your printer and open this side, and you should be able to see the ink cartridges here. Now we have to take the ink cartridges out. So there is a lock, you have to press it once and then take the ink cartridge out. So there are total 6 ink cartridges installed in this printer. Now take your new ink cartridge, place the back side here, and the chip should be facing down. Match the alphabets and the color and press it. Once you hear a lock sound, that means it is installed properly. Once you're done, click on the push it down and close the ink cartridge chamber. Go to the printer screen and click on the completed. Now this might take few minutes to start up, and then we are ready to use the printer. So this way we can replace the ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.